Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to beat level 143 in IQ Dungeon. So to do this, first you need to press on this table right here, and from here you'll need to do the math around this, involving all of this. So first we're gonna go with this one, and it's 2 pressed for 3 equals 6, and now 4 minus where's 9? Minus 9, yeah, equals 5, and 1 plus 7 equals 8. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.